How to draw the SMU logo. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw the SMU logo. First, we are going to draw the Mustang. For this, we will begin by drawing the head. The first step to this will be to draw a small, slightly curved line for the top part of the head. Nice job! Then at the bottom of this, we are going to draw a curved line going up to the left. This will look like a U. Then we will continue this with a small curved line going upwards even more. From that, we are going to draw a curved line going down to the left. This will be our Mustang's neck. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw our Mustang's ear. We are going to go back to the curved line that we drew first, and at the top of it we are going to draw a small upside down V. Next we are going to draw our Mustang's mane right here. We will start by drawing a curved line that will look like a U, and then we are going to draw several curvy lines going to the left that will look somewhat like upside down V's, similar to the ear but slanted. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next we are going to draw our Mustang's back by drawing a line going to the left from the mane. Next we are going to draw our Mustang's tail. For this, we will draw a curvy line going right here. Then for the bottom outline of our Mustang's tail, we are going to draw another curvy line. These will come together to a point at the left side. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our Mustangs are coming along great. Now we are going to begin drawing the legs. First, we are going to draw a small curved line going downwards from the tail where we left off. Then we are going to draw the belly of our Mustang by drawing a line right here. Now we are going to continue drawing the legs for our Mustang. The next step will be to draw an L-like shape right here. Then connecting to this, we are going to draw one of our Mustang's hooves right below it. This will be right here. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw another hoof. This one will look similar to the one that we just drew, but it will be in line with the back leg right here, so it will be pointed down to the right. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our Mustangs are looking awesome and we are almost finished. Next, we are going to start drawing the front leg of our Mustang. This is going to connect right here and we are going to draw a backwards L-like shape. Then, right above that, we are going to draw a small triangle. Awesome job, learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a very small line right here. Nice job! Just a few more steps before we are all done drawing the Mustang. Next, we are going to draw a small line right here. Then just to the right of this line, we are going to draw a small hoof. This will connect to the right line of the belly. Awesome job, learn how to draw hub crew. Now the final step will be to draw a small line connecting the hoof that we just drew to the line just to the left of it. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. Our Mustang looks awesome. Now we are going to draw the letters SMU above the Mustang right here. We are going to start by drawing the letter M. This is going to be centered directly above our Mustang. First, we are going to draw a big V for the top outline of our M. Nice job! Then directly below this, we are going to draw another V just like it. This is going to be for the bottom outline of our M. Then from the top V, we are going to draw a small line going outwards on either side. Then from those, we are going to draw a small line going downwards on both sides. Then from those lines, we are going to draw a very small line going inwards. And then we are going to draw a long line going down on both sides from those very small lines. Then from the bottom of those lines, we are going to draw a very small line going outwards from both sides, similar to how we have above. Then we are going to draw lines going down from both of those. And then we are going to draw two lines going inwards, one on each side. Nice job! Then we are going to draw a small line going upwards from both of those. And then after we draw those small lines, we are going to draw a very small line going inwards, similar to how we did on the outside. And then from those, we are going to draw a straight line going upwards, connecting to the other V that we drew at the beginning. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. We are all done drawing the M. Next, we are going to draw the S to the left of this. We will start by drawing a small slanted line for the very top of the S. Then from either side of that, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards. Next, from the diagonal line on the right, we are going to draw a small line going downwards and then a line going inwards to the left. Then, connecting to that line that goes to the left, we are going to draw a small curved line for the inside of our S. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a straight line right here. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a diagonal line going down to the right. And then we will draw a straight line going to the right. Next, we are going to draw a curved line connecting to the right side of that line that will look like a backwards C. Then, from the bottom of that backwards C, we are going to continue the line going to the right a little bit. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. We are going to now draw the rest of the outline of the S, similar to how we did for the top part. We are going to draw this part right here, down here for the back part of the S. Then, similar to how we did for the top part, we are going to draw a diagonal line going down to the right, then a straight line going to the right, and then another diagonal line going upwards to the right. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a few more lines. We are going to draw one right here going upwards, then diagonal, then straight again to the left. Then we are going to draw a straight line going upwards, connecting the outline of our S together. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. We are all done drawing the S and it looks great. Now we are going to draw the U just to the right of the M. We are going to start by drawing a long line going up and down. Then at the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going downwards to the right. Nice job! Then from the bottom of this diagonal line, we are going to draw a straight line going to the right, and then a diagonal line going upwards to the right. Next, we will draw another long straight line going up and down connecting to this. Then at the top of this line, we are going to draw a rectangular shape. For this, we will draw a very small line going to the right, and then we are going to draw a line going upwards, to the left, and downwards, and then another very small line going inwards to the right. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Then from where we left off, we are going to draw a tall, skinny U for the inside outline of our U. Then to finish drawing the outline of our U, we are going to draw a rectangular shape at the top of these two lines, connecting them together, similar to how we did on the right side. This is how to draw the SMU logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and comment down below what you would like us to draw next. See you again next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.